Wagwan people, today we're going to harvest our last sweet potato bag and let's see what we get in there.
Made our own purple sweet potato slips from grocery store sweet potato in the late winter, early spring.
We love the purple sweet potato. It's so good. The white one and the purple one is just really great. We might not get sweet potatoes, but we got a lot of sweet potato greens. So let's just stir it up. Hey, hey, this is some good roots of some pussy.
That's a tiny one.
Ooh, another tiny one.
I gotta say, upside down is really the way to go for sweet potatoes. They just kind of present themselves so much more readily.
Right?
And you're digging from the bottom up rather than the top.
Nice. They get one eaten.
Yeah.
I think this one came from the one that
actual
root.
potato.
So funny. We want all of them not one in and then sweet same way.
Yeah.
You saw me?
You don't have to chop them. It's pretty good.
Oh, nice. And the purple sweet potatoes aren't as big as the other ones, the orange types.
Whenever we get them at the store, they also are like very strange shapes. So these ones are actually kind of regular and beautiful compared to some of the other ones.
Yeah. Whoa. Look over there, there's one more. This bag is nice and dry.
Yeah.
Just how you want it before you harvest. You stop watering it. Oh, yeah, more in and Oh, I did big more.
Oh, that's what to me.
This is what we started with.
And some
Funny.
other
And
slips
it
that
had
we
so
put
many
in there.
slips.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we put like 2 other slips in here. I think that's it.
Yeah.
So we got sweet potato Earl. Sweet potato